when I said this morning that it is a good idea to spend time in nature because of this solar super eclipse and the new moon, I do what I tell others to do, or suggest would be a better word. So here I am in a forest, connecting with nature. And as it is with all public places and forests, you can hear the aeroplanes, a bit of traffic, children, dogs, and of course birds. But just being out and, walking among the trees is hugely beneficial for us. And for me, definitely. I've always been drawn to trees, the forests, the mountains. Don't get me wrong, I like the sea. But I never had the chance yet to live near the sea. It's always been near the forests. So that's me on my morning walk, soaking up the energies of the sun, finding my way through the woods, and the wildlife is quite entertaining. Busy. So yes, so I do what I preach. I thought I'd just point that out. So when I suggest let's go into nature, do some gardening and being out, I do it myself. I did my garden yesterday, so apart from some weeding, the lawn is cut. Oh, there's a little tree blocking my path. We have to find a way around it, because some days me jumping over 1 meter are long gone. So I leave you to it. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.